Okay, welcome back dear friends. I am Dr. Klim Raza. Today in this video lecture we are going to discuss about a very important blood pressure regulatory system in your body, which is basically regulated by kidneys, liver and lungs. I am talking about RAAS, the renin angiotensin aldosterone system. Very important topic. You may have at least 2 to 3 questions in your exam from this today's lecture. This is very important. So stay with me please. What is basically the renin and what is the role of renin in case of the regulation of your blood pressure? So remember, renin is an enzyme which is basically produced by JG cells, juxtaglomerular cells of the kidney, when the renal perfusion is decreased. In case of the decreased renal perfusion, another factor which help in basically production of the renin is decrease the sodium, and when decrease sodium in your body, it is sensed by macula densa, which is the sodium sensor. Macula densa is the sodium sensor. So remember. So renin is basically secreted by kidneys. It's an enzyme. And what is the function of renin? That renin is going to convert angiotensinogen. Renin is going to convert angiotensin, which is a protein produced by your liver, angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1. So write angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1 with the help of renin in plasma, and then angiotensin 1 is converted into angiotensin 2 with the help of angiotensin converting enzyme in your lungs. Here in this picture you can see liver through kidney it's renin converting angiotensinogen into angiotensin 1, and through angiotensin converting enzyme it's converted into angiotensin 2. So this guy angiotensin 2 is very important, but it all comes through your kidney, liver and lungs. Next, what is the action of angiotensin 2? That automatically angiotensin 2 through its this squat going to increase the arterial pressure. And what is the squat? Number 1, what is the action of angiotensin 2? Angiotensin 2 will increase the secretion of the aldosterone. Renin angiotensin aldosterone system will increase the secretion of the aldosterone through the cortex, glomerulosa, zona glomerulosa. So aldosterone will more reabsorption of the sodium through the renal distal tubules. Sodium is absorbed, more reabsorption, pressure will be increased. Number 1. Number 2, through the hypothalamus, angiotensin 2, this guy, hypothalamus is also very important. Through the hypothalamus, it will stimulate your thirst center. When you are thirsty, you will drink more. Volume is increased in your body, pressure is increased. And then next action, that it lead to the constriction of the vessels. So constriction of the vessels increase total peripheral resistance and increase the arterial pressure. So these are the important mechanism through which angiotensin 2 is basically increasing your mean arterial pressure in your body. There are other mechanisms also, but these 3 are very important. And the next thing, remember, whenever you are treating your hypertension, the commonly used drugs nowadays are ACE inhibitors, the angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitor drugs, like you have heard about captopril, lisinopril. These are drugs, and these are the drug of choice for the treatment of the hypertension in diabetes also. So in short, if anyone is having hypertension, by age of 50, you will use these drugs. And the side effect, the common side effect of the ACE inhibitors, the dry cough because of the increased bradykinin level. At that time you will use the angiotensin receptor blockers, ARBs, angiotensin receptor blockers like losartan. What is the action? What is the action? In this picture everything is clear. Everything is clear. Crystal clear. That you will block this guy here, angiotensin converting enzyme. So it will limit the conversion of angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. So in this way you will basically decrease the blood pressure. So this is the action of angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors. But ARBs, angiotensin receptor block, like losartan commonly used also, these drugs will directly act on the angiotensin receptors. So they will limit the action of angiotensin 2. Remember, angiotensin converting enzymes will prevent the conversion of angiotensin 1 into angiotensin 2. But angiotensin receptor blockers, they will act on the receptor of the angiotensin 2 and they will decrease the action. So I hope you understood that what is the renin angiotensin aldosterone system and what is the significance of the ACE inhibitors and angiotensin receptor blockers. Thank you for your concentration. Thank you.